Hello everybody, welcome to official YouTube channel of Asian Services. So it's very important update and candidates have been waiting for this for a month, for several months, and it has come now for Bihar state. The registration process and the counseling process that was on hold for very long time, it has started again, and we have a registration window opening from 12th and it will go on until 15th. So in this video we will be discussing and focusing on Bihar state counseling. First of all, it's open state, so candidates belonging to any other state in India, they can apply for Bihar state. We will talk about fee structure for the private medical colleges. There are 3 private medical colleges and 7 government colleges. And we'll talk about the stipend. The probability of getting seat for the higher rankers is high here. Those who are having high rank, they can also get a seat in good branch in Bihar state. The patient load is awesome. Okay, we'll talk about all these things. So here we have the official notification from Bihar State Counseling, and I'm not going to read out everything. You can very easily access this from the official website and can read each and every point. Just spend few minutes and then you will be able to understand it clearly. So as per the decision came from High Court Patna, they have given 30% of incentive to the candidates who have served in remote areas, and in order to get that remote or difficult area notified by the health department, as you can see, who is in service of Bihar government public authority and has work experience of working in remote difficult area notified by health department government of Bihar. So those in service candidate who served in the remote area, so they need to have they need to provide service certificates and experience certificate in order to get the benefit of up to 30% incentive in the marks. So what they'll do, if you have got X mark through the NEET examination, then X on the top of X marks 30% maximum. So 30% of X marks will be added at max, and based on that your merit list will be created. So if you add a few marks based on your experience, then you will be traveling up in the merit list order, and you can get benefited in the counseling process. So that's entire issue, and actually it took so much time, that's why the counseling process got delayed. You can read out all the points here, but I'm going to identify some important points to the candidates. Important dates given for the online registration, that is going to restart from 12th and it will go on until 15th. The last date of payment through net banking or debit card or credit card, it can happen up to 16th of July. And uploadation of remote and difficult area experience certificate only for those candidates who have duly filled the application form earlier. The candidates who have filled the application form earlier, those candidates can upload the remote or difficult area experience certificate, and it can be done up to 15th. Then merit list will be prepared on 18th, and then they have kept the date secret, and will be releasing it in later notification for the choice filling and the seat allotment result and all the rest of the things. You can see point number 8. If any qualified, eligible and interested NEET PG 2020 have not filled up online application form of PG MSc 2020 due to any reason, they can also fill online application form as per the program given in para 10. So anyone who couldn't do the registration until now, they have actually reopened the window for registration. You can go ahead and do the registration. As right now we can see our entire counseling process. Most of the states are in their second phase of the counseling. Rajasthan, it was parallel to and was going hand to hand with Bihar state. Few days back, if you go, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, and Rajasthan, they were also hand to hand going delayed mode for the first round. First, Andhra Pradesh started, then Bihar has released its notification for the round one, and then Rajasthan is the last state where the first round itself is in question, or you can say pending. The matter is in court due to EWS. So we can see when the choice filling would start for Bihar state. So it would be starting after 18th, maybe from 20 or later on. And the choice filling will be going on for deemed mop-up. So these two things will collide and they can impact each other. As per my experience and the call received by, I received the call from many candidates belonging to northern part and southern part of the India. They are very much interested to get good seat in reasonable budget, and Bihar is one of the state where you can get good seat in reasonable budget. I will talk about the fee structure, stipend amount. So watch this video until end so that you get complete information about it. So this collision will happen, and there are candidates who may try first for mop-up round deemed university. For that they will be putting 2 lakhs, and parallelly they can also try Bihar state if they couldn't get in their budget a particular subject. They can go for Bihar state, because Bihar state would be freshly doing counseling for all the seats. So the chance is high to get a seat out of 100% available seats. In the round 2 for Bihar, we won't be seeing so many seats remaining, because the candidates have been waiting from long time for Bihar, and they are going to hit it aggressively and will grab a seat and keep with them, because Bihar started their counseling process when the entire counseling process towards the end phase. So they won't go for free exit. As per my experience, they may do for some reason, but they will play safe and in defensive mode. They will go aggressively and keep the seat with themselves. So if you want to go for Bihar state, you go in round 1. That will be beneficial. In round 2, like UP, we can't see many seats remaining. And we'll talk about the fee structure. Fee structure is also very attractive in Bihar state for lower clinical and top clinical branches. So I will now jump to the fee structure. These are all things you can read out. As you know, all my dear friends, that there are 3 private medical colleges in Bihar state, and government colleges number is 7. So you all know, if you have good rank, then you can crack a seat in government medical colleges. But let's talk about private medical college. Narayana Medical College is available in Hindi, but since I am talking in English language, so you can understand, you don't need to worry. But you can see this branch name is in English and all the fee structure. Just college name and all the column names is in Hindi. So Narayana Medical College is situated in Rohtas. The second medical college is Katihar Medical College, which is located in Katihar. And the third one is Mata Gujri Memorial Medical College. So it's located in Kishanganj. Okay. So there are 3 private medical colleges. Out of 3 private medical colleges, one is Jain Minority Medical College, that is Mata Gujri Devi. Sikh Minority Medical College. And the second one, Katihar Medical College, is Muslim minority. So 2 are minority medical colleges, and Narayana Medical College is not a minority medical college. and if you see how much stipend they provide is between 50 to 60,000. That's very handsome amount of stipend compared with other states. It's very good, and they do provide this much on a realistic figure. If you go to the college, you will find this much amount as a stipend. So let's talk about the fee structure for radiology in Narayana Medical College is 40 lakhs, and for Dharma is 30 lakhs, for Upsgani 30 lakhs, and for general medicine is 25 lakhs. Orthopedics and general surgery also, orthopedics is 30 lakhs and for general surgery is 25 lakhs. For ENT ophthalmology, for ENT is very less, 6.7 lakhs. On top of that they will be giving good amount of stipend also. So it's very good option that if you are interested in ENT, you can go for Bihar state. The tuition fee for ophthalmology is just 9 lakhs and anesthesia 9.5. So you can see the all three lower clinical branches, ENT, ophthalmology and anesthesia, are under 10 lakhs. Where you see in other state, these would be coming in, if you take like UP, it would be coming in 15 lakhs, 12 lakhs like that. And take MP, it would be coming in around 10 to 12. So if you go for lower clinical, the tuition fee is very attractive here. Okay, now talk about Katihar Medical College. There for radiology the fee is just 34 lakhs, and for Dharma is 26.5, pediatrics 30 lakhs, general medicine is just under 19 lakhs, Obscan is 34 lakhs, orthopedics is 22.7, pediatrics is 30. Again talking about psychiatry, ENT, ophthalmology and anesthesiology is under 11.5 lakhs. For ENT again is 7.64, Katihar Medical College. On top of that they will be giving you stipend also. Coming to the best medical college in Bihar, that is Mata Gujri Devi. If you visit its official website, on the home page you will see the number of patient reaching to the hospital per day is 600 plus. That's awesome number of patient load. So you get good opportunity to learn hands-on and all the experience, practical experience here. 600 per day. And other two medical colleges also, they have also good patient load. So in Bihar and UP state, you don't worry about patient load, especially Bihar, because there are 3 private medical colleges only. So Mata Gujri Devi, the fee for Dharma is 26.5, pediatrics is again 26.5, orthopedics is 22.7, for Obsgani is 34 and general surgery is 18.9. And if you talk about lower clinical like ENT, anesthesiology, for ENT again just 7.6, anesthesia is less than 12 lakhs. So if you see, if you are going to go for ENT, you have to pay under 8 lakhs and stipend also. So this is all about fee structure and stipend amount. I have talked about patient load, it's very good. The candidates who got high rank, their rank is around 40, 50, 60,000, 70,000. They can expect a clinical seat here. So it's a good chance. If you come from any state, you can go ahead and do the registration. Registration fee is not much, is few thousands only, and there is no security deposit like you had to pay for UP, any other state. It's more or less like Karnataka, where without any security deposit you can go ahead and do the registration, you upload few documents and that's it, registration is done. They will be releasing further notification for choice filling, and I will come back to you to update all the relevant details. So let's summarize it. 3 private medical colleges, 7 government colleges. It's good state for high ranker also. They can grab a good seat. Since the counseling process for Bihar state is starting very late, very down on the order, so you can expect most of the good rankers would have already taken some seats who were looking for Bihar also. So you can expect a good cutoff in Bihar state. Fee structure you have explained is reasonable, and for lower clinical is very attractive. Stipend amount is very attractive. Patient load is very good. So I know personally many of the candidates would be very happy after getting this notification, and I'm wishing all of you very good luck, and you go ahead with the counseling process. In case if you have any doubt or you are not able to understand something, you can call us. Number is given in the description. If you want to avail our paid service, then you can call us for that as well. We will guide you until you get the seat allocated in Bihar state or any other state, because we do provide the services for all open state, domicile state, DNB, all India, mop-up, stay vacancy, anything related to even CPS and FCPS. So you can come to us, our counselor will help you regarding any doubt you have. So thanks for watching. If you like the content, you hit the like button, that will motivate us, and subscribe to the channel and click on the bell button so that you keep on getting new notifications. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.